Hello, we have another exponent problem here, another tough one. It says if k is a positive integer, which of the following is equivalent to 3 to the k plus 3 to the k plus 3 to the k? They give us 5 answer choices. Again, let's pause it, see what we can do with it. We'll come back and we'll finish it up together. Alright, tough one here. Let's make sure to read the question, see what we can take out of that. Positive integer, by now I think everyone should know what an integer is. Just, like a counting number, whole number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 is an integer. On these tests, when they say positive integer, it's almost code for a really simple, easy number. Granted, 63 is a positive integer, but they're probably thinking something a little bit lower. So let's see, it's sort of like the last question. We got a couple things to deal with. The bases are all the same. That's the first check, so that's good. The problem again is this ugly addition. So you got to be very, very careful here. One thing we learned in the last video, once the bases are the same, they should not change. So at the very least, you should know, heck, if my base is 3, right, these two answers with base 9, they probably are not right. So let's see what we can do with this. We'll solve it two ways. Let's do it the algebraic way. And again, what can you do? We try to change the addition into multiplication. So all you can really say is we have what? 1, 2, 3 of these things. So if I write that, we have 3 to the k. 3 is really code for what? 3 to the first. And again, now I've turned the addition into multiplication. What do? When I multiply, my base stays the same. I add the exponents, 1 plus k or k plus 1, whatever floats your boat. There you go. That's one way to do it. Granted, a lot of kids probably are not going to do that. A very easy way to get around this whole thing, they give you this. They tell you k is a positive integer. Pick your favorite number. What do you like, 2? Let's say k is 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put k, wherever I see a k rather, I'm just going to put a 2 in there. So I'm going to have 3 squared plus 3 squared plus 3 squared. And 3 squared plus 3 squared plus 3 squared is really what? 9 plus 9 plus 9, which is 27. Now all I have to do, continue on with k is 2, keep putting it back into the answer choices, see which one gives me 27. Usually you want to make sure to check, check all the answers, make sure not more than one of them will work. Let's see here, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 to the 6, that's too big, that's 729. 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 to the 4th is 81. We're getting closer. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 to the 3rd is indeed 27. You can see here 9 to the 6, 9 to the 9, that's going to be pretty big. So there you go, 2 ways to solve it. Always give yourself a couple ways out of this. What to take away from this, be careful with the addition. Get those bases the same. Once they're the same, they don't change. Go from there.